What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing the Tackle Depot Mystery Box 50. This is a mystery box from Tackle Depot, and there's supposed to be 2 times the amount of tackle that you paid for. So this is 50 bucks. It's supposed to have $100 worth of tackle in here. Let's just get right into it. Alright, so our first item here, these are the Rapala fishing rod wraps. So these just are kind of like little Velcro straps that will wrap 2 rods together for nice and easy transportation. Cool. I need one of these. And yes, if you were wondering, I did give Aries some bananas so that he would sit still. Next we have Gamakatsu Shakey Head Skip Cap. Brown color, 4 of them, size 3/0 hook, and 1/8 ounce weight. Cool. Nice games. Yeah, they're lead, not tungsten. Next up, we have the Rapala Rap V blade. It's rattling and sinking. Maximum versatility. In a silver color. And yeah, that color looks absolutely beautiful. And that eye. You know what I'm going to be throwing this winter. Awesome. Rapala Rap V. Next, we have the Luhr Jensen Metric Pro Spinner. Looks like it's got a little green blade, and that's about it. Yeah, neon green. Cool. Now we got some line. This is the Suffix Elite monofilament. Clear 8-pound. 100 yards. Aries, no, come back. Stay with your banana. Alright, some more hooks. And some more Rapala. These are the VMC Swingin' Ruby Jig. 5/16, 2 of them. And so these are really cool, actually. I'm gonna pop these open. So they are, if I can ever get them out of the package. Got them. So they swing. Like, ow. Swing. So, swinging ruby jig. So it's got a double bait holder here. And you get a lot of action because it swings. Aries is intrigued by this. So yeah, these are really cool. VMC Swingin' Ruby Jig. Alright, next. A fish lure, super lure. Woo, the super lure. See, even Aries likes it. Look at that. Aries, do you like the super lure? He loves the super lure. Catch and release, professional lure, high quality. Cool. I mean, it is a nice color. Aries, where are you going? Alright, next we have Blue Fox Inkoo spoon. That's really nice. So it's a casting and trolling spoon. I've heard of these. These are like popular. This is 18 grams and 70 milliliters. I have no idea what that is Wait, which system is it? Metric or Imperial? I don't know. That's 13 Canadian. Anyway, next up. Set the Hook Bait Company Spike 4-inch Green Pumpkin Magic. Those look really cool. So Set the Hook is a Canadian bait company sold by Tackle Depot. They have really nice packaging. It looks really nice. Ooh, they're greasy. Green Pumpkin Magic. Set the Hook Spike. Nice. I will definitely be throwing these. And it's garlic scented. Very garlic scented. Holy cow. Not for human consumption. Yeah. Dang. That smells. Okay. Next up we have more Rapala. Holy cow. This is the Husky Jerk HJ12, which I think is the biggest Husky jerk. I mean, this boy's cool. Rattling and suspending. Live goby color. Nice. That's cool. Now we got some more Set the Hook plastics. These are the 2.3-inch Dart Minnow in goby color. There's 12 of these. Sorry, I didn't check how many there were. Well, there goes the spoon. And they're 12 of these Dart Minnows and 10 of these Spike 4-inch worms. Do this. Yep, these things smell like garlic too. Oh, those are actually really cool. Awesome. Set the Hook makes some really cool plastics. Aries doesn't think so. He's running away from them. Come back, Aries. You only have one more. Alright, and for our last item, more Rapala. Holy cow! This is the 36-inch Adhesive fish ruler. Nice. Perfect for boats in both inches and centimeters. There we go. Better than the Inkoo spoon. So, adhesive, does it mean is it a sticker? I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, sorry, Aries. Huh. Okay. What? Oh. Aha, it is a sticker. I was right. I'm always right. So we got some logos on it. Storm, Blue Fox, Rapala, VMC, Suffix, Luhr, Jensen, and Terminator. Cool. Oh, shush. I got it back. I jumped on my computer. He might have stopped the recording. Nope, we're good. All good. Okay. So, Aries took out the ruby jigs, jumped on him, and tackled him down to the floor. So he's just gonna stay in his tube for a bit. But here's the moment of truth. Was this $100 worth of tackle? You will see in 3, 2, 1. You know, I actually don't know. I'm telling you with text on screen and editing, so I'm gonna guess that it was just under $100. But you guys will know. I don't know yet. So I'll see you guys later. Like and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. So hilarious. Ciao.